This video is going to show you how to do a market activity report in RPR. The market activity report is a snapshot of all the changes in the local real estate market, which includes a market activity summary and a listing of active, pending, sold, expired, and distressed properties. Recent price changes and upcoming open houses are also included. So go ahead and sign into RPR. What you're going to do is you're going to pull up your property. You can type it in here, or you can click over here if you've already run a report on the property. So I'm going to go ahead and just click over here. And then I am going to go up to reports, and I am going to tell it that I want a market activity report. You can see an example of what it will look like. It's approximately 11 pages. You can also customize the pages by deselecting any of these items. I typically leave it the same. And then all you're going to do is you're going to decide on how you want the report. So you can personalize the report by putting in whoever's name here. You would click the box, type their name, type a message. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then you can click display now, or you can email it to somebody. And then I always carbon copy myself, but I always display now and run a report. And then I create a personalized email and send it to the person. So you get this telling you that it's going to give you a pop-up message, and you'll hear a doorbell when the report is done. You want to check to see if the report's done. You can come up here. The color tells you the report is still generating. Blue means complete. You can also go up here and click in the report section. And now we just have to wait for that report. So my report is ready. I click on download. It doesn't actually download it, it opens it up. I'm going to go in here and I can view this report for this particular area. Get estimated values, changes over the last month and property values, the quarter. It'll give me 12-month. It shows me distressed properties. It gives me sales, distressed and non-distressed. It gives me the distress activity and where it's located in proximity to the subject property. It shows recently sold non-distressed properties, it tells you when. And that is your market activity report. If you have any questions or you ever need any help in RPR, scroll down to the bottom of any page, click on the live chat button, call the toll-free number. They are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and they're super helpful.